Okay, so day 3 practical 11 string arrays. Strings are saved as arrays. So variable name is X. So this variable name X hold in the school is DMC with the underscore. I didn't give the space. Instead of space, I use the underscore. So when we get this kind of string, so strings are saving as arrays. Okay. So arrays mean something like this. X is equal to school underscore is DMC. In computer memory, arrays, that means strings save as data structure array. So we call array is a data structure. The way how this string going to save is like this. Starting first letter is 0. We call index 0, then index 1, index 2, index 3, likewise up to index 12. But when we consider about the item number 1, item number 2, up to item number 13. Altogether, there are 13 items. Okay. So first coding, I have given print round brackets X square brackets. Square brackets mean we are calling into the item. So square brackets 0 to 13. That means print starting from 0. 0 means starting question. You better write that one. 0 means starting. 13 means ending position. So start from 0, end from 13th item. So output will come with school underscore is DMC. So 0 is the starting position, 13 means the ending position. Then next line I use the print X square bracket 0 to 13. The gap is 1. So 1 by 1. That means the gap in keeping with the 1. So same output will come. So you better write there 0 mean start. Okay. Here also we have the 0, that is start. Then ending mean, I take it in green color. End is 13. Then gap is 1. So here we are using 1 gap. Okay, you better write that. Then next line I'm asking to print len x open bracket close bracket. So print len within the round brackets len, then open bracket x close bracket and another close bracket. Len mean length. Length of the array X. Is this clear? So LENX mean length of the array X. You will get the output with the 13. Only the 13 will come as the answer here. Okay. Quickly copy this one. Okay. After inserting length, next I'm going to check print X 0 to 13 item. The gap is 2. That is 0 to 13 item gap is 2. So starting from the 0, therefore S came, then C is not coming, skip on that. Then H coming, first O is not coming, second O is coming, L is not coming, then underscore is coming, I is not coming, S is coming as the output, underscore not coming, then we will get the D, M is not coming. Then see, Y, the gap is 2. It is jumping one after the other. If I take the same one, which I did there, that means I'm going to use first index. Okay. So now we'll see print X square bracket 0, 1, 2, 13, the gap is 2. Okay, so we'll try to find out the answer. What is the first one? That is 0th index. We are calling index number 0. Okay, 0 index. Ending at the 13th one. That means 0th item to item 30. Then gap is 2. That means from this one, jump into the edge. Then skip the third one, jumping into this one. Then skip the fifth one, jump into this one. Then skip the next one, take the S. Then D. Then again C. Can you understand? That means output will come with the S, H, O, underscore, S, D, C. Okay. Then next one, next line. Shall we try the next line as well? Gap is 3, starting from 0. Okay, that is starting from index 0. Okay. Then output is, S is coming as output. Then gap 3, 1, 2, 3. Third one. Earlier, skip 1. Okay. Third one. Jump to this one. Then another next third one. Underscore. This is coming. Then skip to third item mean another underscore will come as output. Then again changing. Then that will be C. This is the output. Okay. So output will be S O underscore underscore C. Previous one output is S H O underscore S D C. Can you try this one? Okay, so see how it's working when we are running, executing this one. Output will come with the, yeah, I'll take a new one. Okay, the output also coming with the same way which I already checked. So SHO underscore SDC, then final one SOS underscore underscore 2 underscore and C. Okay, quickly copy down this one and try complete the practical. Okay, now find out the outputs of the rest of the things. That means starting from the 0, ending at 13th, then gap is 4. Okay. Then next one gap is 5. Next one gap is 6. Gap 7, gap 8, gap 9. Likewise, gap is 13. Okay. Find and let me know the answer quickly. Okay. So we'll see what is the output for this. The gap is 4. Then you will get the output SOSC. Okay. So output should come like this. Check whether you have the same answer. Now look at your outputs. Okay. First one, starting index 0 to 13, entire code came. Second line, index 0 to 13, gap is 1. The same thing came. Then third one, length is 13. There are 13 items. Next one, starting 0 to the finishing at 13, gap is 2. So jumping one after the other. Then Next one, gap is 3. Skip 2 items, take the third one. Then gap 4, skip 3 items and took the output. Okay. Likewise, we continue up to the 13. Starting 0, end in 13, and the gap is 13. Then output came only the S. Is this clear? Then we'll move to the next one. Okay, next program you have like this. X is the variable, school is the array string that is saved as array. So X is the array name, the variable X holding the array string. It contains school. Print X school. Then I'm going to call items one by one. Okay, see what is happening when I execute this one. 0th index is what? 0th index is the S. Okay, so output coming with the S. Then first item, that means index 1 is C. Index 2, H. Index 3, O. Index 4, O. Index 5, L. Now look at, I'm going to take minus value. Minus 1. So minus 1 mean coming from the reverse, that means last item. So minus 1 mean the L, last item. Okay. Then minus 2 mean 1 before the last. O. Minus 3, again O. Minus 4, reverse side. Okay. H. Minus 5 will be C. Then minus 6, S. Shall we try this one? Okay, now look at this one again. The string is school. So it is saved as variable X, an array, inside an array. So first index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5. Okay. So item index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, index number 3, index number 5, 4, 5. Then we are calling x0 mean X, x1 means C, x2 mean H. Likewise, we call. Then the reverse side, we will get the minus 1 for the last item. Minus 2, 1 before the last. Likewise, up to minus 6, we will get the output. First, draw this diagram in your book, then write the coding. That will be more clear. Okay, so letter S contain 2 values. So X 0th index as well as S is the X minus 6. Letter 0 hold 2 values. Forward side letter 0, letter S contain X0. Reverse side it contain X minus 1. So when you look at the diagram, that means output, S means 0, then minus 6 mean also S. Okay, so forward side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is SCHOL. Then minus side are LOOHCS. So minus side the same way reverse values are coming. Okay. If you compare both output and the diagram. Okay.